国际上竟然来看到英国是对拜三开始，就因为落大雪甲大雨，交通受到真大影响。伫咧英格兰的北部，还有苏格兰，嘛已经有9万户失电，超过100栋的人家厝受损。
风库当中一只客机准备降落，说伫个要到跑道的时阵，因为强风喊甲真厉害。
Stop it！
伦敦希斯罗机场惊险的一幕，互连线记者是叽叽叫，惊人的画面还佫出现伫曼彻斯特，受格里特风暴带来洋风大雨，不少厝的厝顶被掀飞，有上百栋的厝受损。
I mean, to be honest, I think we've been fairly lucky compared to some of our neighbours. Some of the neighbours' houses are an absolute disaster. The roof missing, gable ends gone. Cars squished with all the stone that's come off the houses.
英国气象局表示，一场雷暴伫大曼彻斯特滚架，佫产生强烈旋转上升气流，加做加烈风，继续差不多1分半钟。格里特风暴支持攻击英国，威廉甲巴伦敦、布里斯托、伯明翰甲苏格兰、威尔斯等地拢传出灾情，9万户停电，上到阵风超过时速130公里，强风带来超大雨量，地数部分航班取消，地面交通也受淹水影响。
A fair degree of surface water out there. So, like I say, we're encouraging people to drive to the conditions, allow additional time to complete the journeys, take some essential kit with them, some water, some warm clothing, etc., a fully charged phone. If they do come into any difficult situations, to phone the emergency services.
气象部门表示，恶劣天气也会继续甲就关苏格兰部分地区会继续落大雪。公司新闻电话前报道。